Are you tired of constantly switching between Todoist and Google Calendar to manage your day? Learn how to sync them in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the 7 simple steps to integrate Todoist with Google Calendar, from installing the add-on to seeing your tasks appear. First, click on the 3-dotted line to open the menu. Then, select Get Add-ons from the options. In the search bar, type Todoist to find the integration. Click Install and wait for it to install. Once installed, click Next to proceed. Then, click Done to finish the setup. You can now see that Todoist is installed and ready to use. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.